Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Do you remember this video, the video I walked you down my farm? In that video I told you that part of what we're going to do as the next thing is going to be installation of CCTV camera. However, today I've already bought the CCTV camera just for me to have an eye on my farm anywhere I go, be it I travel out of my country, I go anywhere, I'll be able to monitor my farm from anywhere using the app. So if you have a farm and you are not going to be residing in the farm, or you have someone monitoring the farm, you can as well have your eyes always on the farm. So that is why I'm sharing with you what I just got. I got two of it. Here is a carton. I don't know if you can see this. It's solar powered. Here is another carton. Yes, can you see? There are two. So, and let me just unbox one for you. Here is how it looks. This thing can rotate, and the best thing about it is that it makes use of a SIM card, which means you do not have any worry about whether your farm has a Wi-Fi connection or not. So once you insert the SIM card here in this hole, you'll be able to put any network that works best on your farm. And as you can see, it has antenna which makes the signal, which serves as a signal booster for this camera. You can as well install SD card. That's the storage device. Is this storage device? I don't even know the full meaning of SD. You can store your data on the card. I think it's storage data or something. It has a provision for that. So I think up to 64 gigabytes of memory card can be used on this. It also has a means for you to connect electricity using a USB cable to this. Okay, I have removed the panel that came with it. The panel looks exactly like this. I've removed the cable, and okay, you can see it. The panel looks like this. I'm going to be showing you. I'm actually charging it at the moment, so I'm going to be sharing with you. And what's in here again? So I'm going to show you how it's installed probably in the next video. Okay, here is the USB cord I am talking about. Can you see the USB cord? And it came with screw. Can you see? There's a screw and the screwdriver. It came with user manual. PTZ actually stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. So that shows you that this camera can do the three things. It can pan, it can tilt, and it can also zoom. So that is why it's named that. And I'm going to show you once I install the camera on my farm. Hopefully by next week. Today is Friday already, so I'm going to be installing the camera by next week, God willing. And hopefully I will make a video recording of how to set it up so that you can do it on your own. However, it's always advisable, if you just got something like this, and it has a provision for charging, for electricity, for AC/DC charging, it's always best for you to charge it with electricity at least to sustain the battery. I'm hearing a sound. So that is that, guys. Boom. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You know, without you on my channel, there will be no rare catfish. So please like this channel, subscribe. Let's build a wonderful community together. You know I love you. Cheers. Bye.